Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Streams coming to you live from Da Nang, Vietnam. Guys, wow, I got a huge video to talk about. Remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house, bringing you the education and bringing you the fun, guys. So this video is absolutely not financial advice. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. Woo! We got to talk about Today we're going to talk about the Bitcoin supply. We're going to talk about the top 100 coins that are being talked about on Twitter. And, these coins could explode, guys. We're seeing that, right now Solana has just gone to the moon, guys. So all of my subscribers and members that were holding on to Solana, congratulations. It's a great time to be alive. I told you that it was going to go back up. It's just a matter of time. And remember, in this business, the most important thing, the most important characteristic you can have, it's not about being smart. It's about one single thing. Be patient. If you are patient, the rewards will come, and patience pays off with life-changing wealth, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. This is a time to get rich, guys. We're also seeing that the active addresses are higher than they've ever been. We're seeing that the relative strength index for Bitcoin is really good right now. And JP Morgan is saying that the reason that people are aping into Bitcoin is because they are afraid of inflation. So let's see if that's true or not. We're going to jump into that. Also, we're also going to talk about why a lot of young people are aping into crypto. What are the reasons? What's driving that? And why people want to buy crypto? And why are people aping into crypto? So there's a whole bunch of fundamentals, a whole bunch of catalysts, and it's a great time to be alive. Absolutely a great time to be alive, guys. I love it. You love it. So let's jump into the content without further delay. And before that, guys, don't forget to go back and watch my latest video, Bitcoin Boom. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for out there, guys? Let's get it. It's a great time to be alive. And you like my new setup? So here we go, guys. Let's welcome some new members in the house. These are brand new members, guys. We got Jay Templeton, channel supporter. We got Mark in the house. Welcome, Mark. God bless you, brother. We got Jason. We got Omar. We got Tech Play in the house. We got Krista, and we got Michelle in the house, guys. So welcome, and all the VIP members and all the channel and super channels members. Don't forget to go back and send an email to here. So go to the about section of the channel, scroll down, and you'll see that the email is right there. So send us an email with your WhatsApp handle and the date you joined and your membership level, and then we'll cross-reference that with our database sent to us by YouTube. And if everything checks out, we'll send you the link, and you'll be part of the WhatsApp community, and you'll be chatting up a storm with our members out there, and there you can get tips and tricks and stuff like that, guys. So guys and gals, if you're out there, do think about becoming a member. You're gonna love it. I love it. And remember, all the memberships, all the merchandise, all the Patrons, all the coffees that you buy the channel, and the super chats, they all go to charity, guys. Also, I want to give a big shout out today to Didkus Bear. In our previous video, he gave a whopping, can you believe it, $299 super chat in the last stream. Amazing. Thank you, brother. And all of that's going to charity 100%. And we're going to be doing another charity giveaway video soon, guys. So we'll keep you updated when that's going to happen, guys. And also some other subscribers in the house. These are Minty fresh subscribers today. We got Josie, we got Chanda, we got Manny, we got Siva, we got Snap Focus Picks, we got Karen, we got Jeff in the house, guys. So right now we're seeing that the Bitcoin supply is reached a 3-year low, guys, and it's around about 13%. So the total supply of Bitcoin on exchanges is only equal to 13%, and we've never seen it this low before. Last time it was this low was like 3 years ago, guys. So remember, macroeconomic supply and demand. This is also another reason that's fueling Bitcoin to all-time highs, guys. We're also going to jump into the JP Morgan story, guys. Don't forget that we're going to do that. And remember, if you love this channel, like I love you guys, smash the likes right now. Show a little love. Subscribe, BYB in the house, and don't forget to comment, guys. Tell me what you think about the content. Tell me what you think about the OG, and just but keep the comments respectful, guys. It's so important that you keep the comments respectful and don't go too overboard in the comments, guys. Some other news that coming, some of the stuff that's coming in right now. I can see that the top 10 mentions, the top 10 cryptos that are being mentioned on Twitter right now are people are talking about Bitcoin, of course. It's a king data. Everybody's looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum is getting danger close to all-time highs, guys. We're only a couple $100 off all-time highs, so that's really happening. People are talking about Solana, of course, because Solana's just going to the moon, guys. and people talking about Dogecoin. So you see, Dogecoin is there. Dogecoin to the moon. I love the Doge. You love the Doge. And then people talking about next is ADA, because ADA is starting to also blast off too. Then we got SHIB, we got Chainlink, we got FTX, we got Terra Luna, guys. So these are things that are absolutely what people are thinking about. So keep an eye on these coins, because these coins can start popping off, start pumping, because people tend to tweet about it, talk about it, and then, you know, Twitter seems to be the forefront, and then what happens is Joe Public gets into it later. So, you know, whatever is happening on Twitter is a good indicator, a good primer for what could actually happen on the exchanges in the crypto space in the next couple of hours. So keep an eye on that. We could see Solana still continue to have more pumpage, guys. Solana is looking very, very good. You know, take a look at Solana. So Solana right now is on fire. If you look at the daily chart, we can see it's up almost 8%, 8.5%. Yesterday it was up 13%. So, you know, with those 2 days combined, you know, it's over like 22%. And right now Solana is trading at $191.69. We're well above the $181, which was resistance. It was resistance for a very long time. You know, we was resistance all the way back here. It became resistance around the 2nd of October. So it's taken about 21 days to break through this resistance level at 181, and looking like we're heading toward this promised land of $200 coming in soon, guys. So it's a great time to be alive, and Solana's on fire, and we're going to see, you know, some of the top projects start to pump soon. Even though the Bitcoin dominance is high, you will see some of the top, you know, 5 to 10 projects will start to pump soon, guys. So that's really good news. So some other news that's happening right now is we can see that the number of active Bitcoin addresses just reached a 5-month high, and that's now 54,801 coins in the coins. So that's really good, guys. So previous 5-month high was 54,703, and that was observed the 12th of October. So you can see the number of active addresses are really going up, and that's really important, because as we have more and more active addresses, sorry, not 54 million, my bad, 54,801. I can't even count. Just my eyes didn't see the decimal point there. I thought it was a comma. So the OG is not perfect, guys. Smash a like if you think the OG is not perfect. I appreciate it. And you can see that you know, these active addresses are increasing, continuing increases, and as we have more active addresses, this often is an indicator that the Bitcoin is going to go higher, guys. Some other stuff that's happening right now. If we look at the relative strength index, we're looking pretty good. We can see that the relative strength index is at 70, and we're in all-time high mode, which is red. And we see this time and time again, as the relative strength increases and goes above goes above 70, this often indicates that we're going to hit all-time highs. So we're just started, guys. We have just started. Look here. We can see here and here and here and here, and you know, it just goes to show that Bitcoin is not finished pumping, guys. This is not financial advice. This is the OG, you know, Jackie Chan that. It's the OG in the house, just giving his opinion, and this video is for education, entertainment purposes only, guys. And also too, you can see that right now it's 189 days, exactly 189 days since we had our last all-time high, and things are looking good, guys. We're back, baby. We're back. Big Biddy's back, and my Charles is on fire right now. So Bitcoin is going to the moon, guys, and that's a great time to be alive. And keep on watching, guys. We still got to talk about the JP Morgan story. We're going to talk about why the young are aping into crypto, and what's really driving that, guys, and what's really driving this whole Bitcoin adoption, and what's happening. Is it the ETF? What is it? We're going to talk about that, and then we're going to look at the technical and the charts and review all the coins, guys. And then we're also going to look at the OG portfolio in the house. You guys are going to be amazed at how our portfolio is popping off to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. And guys, don't forget to check out the merch. Always check out the merch. Don't forget to get the mug. It's full of love, full of joy. And let's get it, guys. So let's jump into the first story right now. So JP Morgan says inflation concerns, not ETFs, are driving Bitcoin price. I mean, yeah, you know, ETFs are catalysts, but you know what we're saying is that, you know, the people are getting worried and concerned about inflation, so that's what's pushing them. That's what's pushing them to ape into Bitcoin, crypto, and also ape into this ETF. Because as you guys know, that when the ProShares ETF took off, it broke a record. We've never seen the ETF do 1 billion in one day like that. So we broke a record. So Bitcoin broke its all-time highs. You guys know that price level following the launch of the Pro Shares Bitcoin Strategy Exchange Traded Fund on Tuesday. But JP Morgan Chase strategists, this is the strategists, they believe that, the catalyst behind that is that people are concerned about inflation. And, we know that, the Fed's going to be printing a whole ton of money. We got this whole infrastructure bailout plan, and they're just going to be printing money. And also they've increased their debt ceiling as well. So they, basically it's not looking good. I mean, a dollar bill, a dollar bill won't be able to buy you bubble gum soon. If you want to buy a loaf of bread, it's going to cost you $100. So keep that in mind. Instead, JP Morgan believes that as gold failed to respond to concerns over rising cost pressures over the last couple of weeks, Bitcoin's renewal role as a better hedge against inflation. And it's not only JP Morgan, but we're seeing a whole bunch of we're also seeing a whole bunch of billionaires aping in it. Of course, Tesla, right? Elon Musk loves it. And we're also seeing that, billionaire investor Carl Inchon loves it, and there's a whole bunch of other billionaires and large companies who are saying that Bitcoin is a better hedge against inflation than gold. And gold has been collapsing as of recent, where Bitcoin is still the dominant force, and Bitcoin is literally going to the moon, guys. And I love Bitcoin, you love Bitcoin, and I love my Bitcoin. I love my Bitty Charles, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. One other story that's coming in right now is Bitcoin gains 2K in 2 hours after Bitcoin price bounces near previous all-time highs, guys. So weak stocks and fresh wars over Evergrande failed to keep Bitcoin down. So even though we had all the Evergrande FUD and all that kind of stuff going on, it did not keep Bitcoin down. It looks like it's heading towards $67,000 again. And this is a great time to be alive. So let's just jump into the Bitcoin price right now. And you can see right now that the Bitcoin price on the weekly is at 65,800 and 65,508. It keeps moving on me. So Bitcoin is like 65,839, and if we look at here, successfully retested the orange level, we can see that Bitcoin is retesting the orange level, and the previous all-time high has become the huge support zone, guys. So that's looking pretty good. And if we look at the Bitcoin on the daily chart, we can see right now that Bitcoin has gone well above. This is the previous all-time high that we had back in April. This has become a huge support zone. So this is really fantastic, guys. And on the Binance chart here, we're looking at Bitcoin at $65,643. So I think that we could be seeing $67,000 incoming pretty shortly. We did reach an all-time high yesterday of 67,000. I think we're gonna get there. There was some profit taking today. That's why we saw Bitcoin hit a low of 63,500 and some change. And I think we're gonna see all-time highs coming in soon, guys. So the other story that's coming in right now is there was this survey done by the UK FCA, which is kind of like the SEC, right? And basically they said that a sizable majority of young investors see high-risk opportunities are motivated by competition and hype. So they're saying that a lot of people are getting into crypto because they like the hype, they like the competition, and a new service has indicated they often turn to cryptocurrency and forex products according to the poll conducted by UK's financial regulator. So a lot of youth are just aping into crypto because they like the hype, and also I think that they feel that this is one way to become rich overnight, And remember, investing in crypto, you have to do your own risk management, and remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor at all, but you have to do your own risk management. Don't listen to other people. Do your own research. It's so important that you do that. So the FCA launches Invest Smart campaign targeting risk-prone investors. So remember, younger people tend to take more risks. It's just a matter of life, right? As we get older, like me, I'm taking less risks. So, but as we're young, they take a lot of risks. So, UK's Financial Conduct Authority has carried out new research into the attitudes of young investors towards high-risk products. The watchdog has surveyed 1,000 respondents. So, it's only 1,000, right? So the sample size is a little bit small. So take everything with a pinch of salt, right? Ages between 18 and 40, and it launches a 5-year campaign to reach out to an inexperienced investor. Could cost British taxpayer $11 million. So through the poll, the regulator has been able to establish many of these investors are driven by competition with friends and family members when investing in cryptocurrency and forex. 3/4 of the survey, 76%, said they felt a sense of competitiveness, while 2/3 or 68% likened to it experiencing gambling. Right? So I mean. Yeah, forex trading, could be considered that, right? But I don't think you could say that about cryptocurrency, right? It's about being smart. It's about having diamond hands. It's about dollar cost averaging. It's about doing your own research. And you're sure there's a lot of tokens out there that are at the end of the list. Sure, that could be considered that they're very, very volatile. Lots of hype there. But if you stick to the top. The top high caps and the mid caps, you won't go wrong long term, guys. And this is not financial advice. It's just what I think, and that's my opinion. So you may consider, I would never invest in anything that's less than 2 years old. That's just me. That reduces your risk right there. And I'm not going to ape into any projects that's like number coin 900 or something like that. I mean, for me, I like to stay at least in the top 50. Maybe I might go down to the top 100, but I tend to stay in the top 50 projects. Anything that's on the first page of CoinMarketCap is good for me, guys. So at the same time, only 1/5 of the respondents, 21%, were considering holding their most recent investment for more than a year, and just 8% were expected to keep the assets for at least 5 years. So only 21% were considering to hold them for over a year, and a very small amount considered this as a long-term hold. So you're seeing a lot of speculation by the youngsters who are getting into crypto. So guys, just be careful. Don't be one of these people. I always tell you that the biggest asset to getting rich in crypto is very simple. Diamond hands, dollar cost average, and don't panic. And the other key attribute is learn when to take your profits. A lot of investors do not know when to take their profits, and this is really sad, because things go up and they just don't take their profits. And you've got to learn to take profits. Profits taking is just as important as buying into good projects. You've got to learn to do that. And psychologically, it's very hard to take your profits when you see something coming up. Like Solana is up right now, and for me, once Solana, I have my magic number. Once it hits 400%, I gotta sell some. That's just the way I do things. So if Solana breaks over 200, I'm going to reduce my exposure on that one. I'm going to be taking some profits, and that's not financial advice. So other things that have been also driving young investors has been hype in the news on social media, has been another driving force for new investors looking into acquiring high risk products. And remember, a lot of the hype on social media is not hype about the top 10 or 20 projects. It's like these Snowcoin coins or the poo-poo coin, or these weird, bizarre tokens that nobody's ever heard about. These companies spend a lot of money on the hype because they want to kind of grab and snare the youngsters into getting into these projects. So you've got to be careful. There's a lot of shilling out there, particularly with these coins that are way down on the list, guys. So watch out for that. And they target the youngsters who don't know any better, and they just say, well, look, the website looks nice, and wow, I like the article, and maybe a famous person is sponsoring it, but they never read the project paper. You got to go and read the project paper, do your own due diligence. So important, right? So and well over half the participants in the study, 58%, said they felt encouraged to put funds into investments that we're constantly hearing about in the news coverage through social media and channels and from other people. So be careful. Never believe what other people say. Don't even listen to YouTubers. Don't even listen to me. Do your own research. It's so important that you do that. Remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. It's so important that you guys do that, okay? So please, be careful out there, and please don't ape into projects just because everyone's saying it looks good or has a nice shiny website. Okay, because anybody can make a nice shiny website. It's not so difficult. So it looks like AMC is getting hyperactive about crypto. CEO says that CEO Armstrong said they might issue their own cryptocurrency. What do you guys think about that? Smash the likes, subscribe, BYB. Don't forget to check out the merch. And if you're in the live stream, Give the channel a super chat. What are you waiting for? All this goes to charity, guys. So it looks like AMC could be getting into the crypto space, not only accepting crypto. And you know, they had this survey some time ago where not Armstrong. That's going to get confused, OG. So they asked if people want to, you know, have Dogecoin. Allow people to buy their tickets with Dogecoin, and of course everyone said, yeah, we love the Doge to the moon, guys. And but they're thinking about going to even one step further, and that is they're going to make their own AMC token. Okay, so you can use AMC tokens, but that would be really good, right? Because you know, technically you could use Bitcoin, Dogecoin, whatever coin you want to exchange it to AMC tokens and use that. And maybe if you have AMC tokens, maybe there'll be like some special perks, special discounts. I don't know. Let's see, but I just thought that was kind of interesting. So if we take a look at the Fear and Greed Index right now, still at 84. Remember, always swim with the whales, never swim against the whales. Keep an eye on this as we get to extreme oversold, extreme greed, super extreme greed. Then that's the time to start taking profits, guys. I'm not saying liquidate, and this is not financial advice, but you may want to consider when this gets up to 100, taking some profits. So I'm keeping my eye on that. And when it gets a little bit higher and higher, I'm going to take some profits off the table. And what I mean by taking profits is basically I sell either Bitcoin or I sell my altcoins and turn it into stable coins and wait for the dippy dips. So I don't think we're going to be seeing any huge dippage, if that's a word. I don't think we're going to be seeing any huge dippage until probably, you know, February, Marches, guys. So let's take a look at the total market cap right now. So total market cap is at 2.67 trillion. We're doing pretty good. We got 3 days and 13 hours left in this week. Of course, we're going to finish off in a beautiful green candle, and everything's looking good. Hopefully by this weekend we can get ourselves up to 2.8. I mean, so far the high this week has been 2.72. So I think getting to 2.8 is easy peasy. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. And once again, Bitcoin price is still pretty stable from where we talked about a couple of minutes ago. It's at 65,530. It's still looking pretty good, guys. And Bitcoin on the daily is also is looking pretty good. We have a little bit of a red candle here, but the previous all-time high of right here of 64,700-ish is providing huge support, guys. So I think that's our new support line. And let me just change that color because I think it may be confusing you guys out there. So I'm going to make this white, guys, white. So that's our huge support lines. It's white as snow, pure driven snow. So that's a great time to be alive. Let's take a look at my Doge. Doge is pretty good, guys. So you know, this support level around 25 cents is garnering some huge support. And like I said, you know, we went up to 27 cents. We went down. We retraced. Now we're going back up again. Now we're going sideways. I think that we should be breaking out past 26 cents once America opens. You know, so we're going to pass the ball to Americans. Hopefully they can take it high and high out there. So I'm looking forward to that. And you should be too. So guys and gals in America, please do us a favor. Don't drop the ball and continue the greenage for us. We appreciate it. Don't make the OG cry. And if you're loving this content, like I'm loving you guys, and I love the community. This channel wouldn't be possible without all my peeps, all my subscribers and family and members out there. So please show some love to the OG, and please smash the likes right now. I want to hear it. Okay, I can hear. It's a great time to be alive. And let's take a look at the Shiba Inu in the house, just for my channel members. Now, full disclosure, I don't own any Shiba Inu, and I like to cover it. I love the Doge, and Doge is my coin. Doge is my coin. But, you know, I have a lot of members out there who just want to hear about the SHIB. So, I got to give the community. That's what they want. That's what they're going to get, right? So, right now, and also keep in mind that the Shiba Inu is in the top 20. It's in the top 20, right? So, I like to cover most of the coins in the top 20. So, don't beat me up. Some people are giving some salty comments to OG. Why you going? Well, it's because it's in the top 20. It's one of the coins, right? And so right now we can see that we have this resistance line over here that I've been talking about forever. Hopefully you guys will remember it's at 33, and we have the support down here at 24, and it's just basically going mid-range, right in between there. It's just going think. And that's where it's going to continue to go. And don't expect anything too crazy from the SHIB. And that's it, guys. And right now we got Ethereum is, it's retested. It's trying to retest its all-time high of 390, and it got up there. It did get up there today, and we saw a high today of 4,384. So that's pretty good. But we got rejected a little bit, so I think Ethereum is going to continue to see if it can break through that resistance level, which is the previous all-time high. I think we're going to get there definitely this week. It's Thursday right now, so hopefully we can get it. Hopefully we can have a pump it up weekend. Pump it up weekend, guys. So you're going to want it. I'm going to want it. Let's love it. Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to spread the good vibe out there. Don't forget to show some love with some super chats out there. Like I love you, you should show the love, guys. Remember, all the super chats, all the coffees, all the merch, all goes to charity, guys. So support the OG, support the channel, show some love in the house. So ADA is looking pretty good. Basically, it went up to 235 today a little bit, as we can see here. Went up to 2337, pretty close to my resistance line. It got rejected. It's coming back down again. So hopefully we can get up there. And right now, ADA is at $2.28. So not too bad. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house, and we're going to jump into the coins. So remember, this portfolio is not financial advice. This is only for education and entertainment purposes, edutainment. And this is something we formed together on a live stream July 2nd. So we're not doing too bad. Right now we're at 92%. We were up 92% since July 2nd. So, I got a lot of salty Debbie Downers that live under rocks out there. And they love to throw stones, and they love to say, the OG, you know nothing. Well, I whatever. Capiche, I know nothing. But, maybe I know nothing. But look, we're up 92%, okay, since July 2nd. So what's wrong with that? I think it's a pretty good return. Right? We're almost 1x from where we started, and that gives us a total portfolio profit right now of $4,661 in the house, and total balance right now is $9,660. So I think we're going to be able to 1x it soon, and that take us to 10,000 pretty soon, guys. So let's take a look at the coins in the house. So the total market cap right now, and this is on Live Coin Watch in case you're wondering what I'm using, and Live Coin Watch, we're at 2.72 trillion, and the volumes are good. 114.81 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance right now is at 45.57. It's come down. It was 46 the other day, so it's come down a little bit. So that's pretty good. That's peachy keen, guys. So let's just jump into the coins in the house right now. So right now we're seeing that. And this is minty fresh. You just saw it update right in front of your eyes there. So we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 65,733. That's still up 3%. We're up 51% in 30 days, 14% over 7 days. So it's not too bad. And our new all-time high, which was reached just a short time ago, is at 66,899. So it's not too bad, guys, not too bad. And Ethereum right now, we're only about 1.8% right there from our all-time high, which is 4,391. Right now we're at 4,312, guys. We're up 11.84%, so let's call it 12%. And we're still up 40% for the 30 days. But Bitcoin has outperformed us in the last 30 days. So don't worry, Ethereum is going to start steaming back pretty soon. And we're seeing that BNB is coming back as well. It's up 1.32%, at $492. ADA right now is at $2.28, and that's up 7.1%, guys and gals. And wow, woo. And Solana is going to the moon, and it's up almost 22% in the last 24 hours, and that's fantastical. And it's $192. And I did tell all of my subscribers and members, be patient with Solana. It will come back. It will go down and retest, and it did. And now, if you've had diamond hands, now you're being rewarded. Remember, this is not financial advice. So things are looking pretty peachy keen right now. So that's really good, guys. And if you look at Polkadot in the house, it's up 8.37%. It's at 44.59. And Doge in the house right now. Take a look. Here we are. Doge is up 20.63% for the last month. So that's pretty good. 8.52% in the last 7 days, and it's up 5.2%. So Doge is making some slow movements, and I believe it's going to be gearing up. We're going to have a huge breakout soon for Doge. It's just a matter of time, guys. We're painting more green than we are red. Things are moving up. Things are moving in a positive direction, and we're at 25.6 right now. So that's looking pretty good. Uni's up as well. It's over 7%. At 27.61. Luna is also doing pretty good. It's coming back now. It's at 8 to 17. Now SHIB has moved down a lot of spots right now. Its market cap is total market cap right now is 16.768 billion. It's given up a lot recently, so it's 25% off its all-time highs, and right now it's trading at 28 cents. Litecoin is up. Some people like Litecoin. I don't like Litecoin, but that's just me. Avalanche is up, which is good. Link is up. So we're seeing everything is up right now. So the altcoins are starting to come back with a vengeance right now. Matic is up. I love Matic. VET, we're holding that in our portfolio. Atom's up. So things are looking pretty good. Tezos is up. Theta is up. Algol is up. Near is up. But Cake is up, guys. I like PancakeSwap, and one of the reasons I like it is because you can do staking with PancakeSwap, and you can have a syrup pool, and you're getting about 75% APY right now on Cake, so that's pretty good. I'm doing Cake, so I like Cake. So that's it, guys. So don't forget to follow me on Twitter. We've got 2,690 people following. Follow us right there. If you're not getting the YouTube notifications, go right here. People are still complaining, not getting notifications. So we're updating news, tips and tricks, and all that kind of stuff, guys. So follow me on Twitter. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to smash the likes right now. Subscribe, comment in the house, and don't forget to check out all my linkage. Go to my Linky Winkies, and that's where you're going to find the link to the Patreon. That's where you can buy the channel a coffee. If you want to remember, all the Patreons, all the coffees, all the channel membership, and the merch all goes to charity, including the super chats. Guys, if you're in the live stream, support the channel with super chats. Do it now, guys. And with that being said, don't forget to check out the merch. We got hats. Our hats are back. The hats were sold out for. Also got the hats. We got bags. We got hoodies. We got all sorts of stuff. And don't forget to check out the infamous, the one and only, the famous Mug the Mug. We love the mug, guys. I love the mug. Get the backpack, get the backpack, get the pillow. We got case. Phone case covers. We got the mouse pads and stuff too. So it's looking pretty good, guys. And don't forget to go to Zen Music right here. Happy wife, happy life. Go down there and subscribe. Support the wife, guys. And with that being said, I just want to say, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for watching to the end. You made it. And this is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo, in the house. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one, guys. I love it to death. I'll see you in the next one. There should be one. Next video will be out about 10 p.m. Vietnam time. So get ready. Prepare that. Set your watch. Set your clock. Set the countdown timer. So there should be another video in about 3 hours or so from now. So God bless each and everyone. Thank you for showing up, and just being here. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Woo!